welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Janelle Sequira XO back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys that you are all being scammed by mink lash companies all over the world. If you purchase mink lashes from companies, from bigger companies I should say. So I went on Amazon the other day and searched for mink lashes and I found 5 pairs. Well, I found a whole bunch of lashes for under $20, mink lashes at that. So I went and bought 5 different lashes from 3 different vendors and I just want to try them on, show you guys. I've actually worn 1 or 2 of them a few times already. I've had it for like 2 or 3 weeks now. I just wanted to show you guys anyways, so you can save some major cash because I spent like $40 to $50 on all 5 of these lashes. And usually a pair of lashes goes for about $30 to $50 depending on the lash, depending on the company. But on Amazon you can find good lashes for $7 up to $20 on Amazon. And they claim to be 100% handmade, natural, mink, or whatever. Yeah, if you're interested in getting some really cute, affordable mink lashes, just keep on watching. The 3 vendors that I bought these lashes from are Miss Kiss Eyelash, Luna Moon, and Aramica. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Aramica, I'm not really sure, but I'll list it down below so you guys can check those out. Let's try them on and see how they look. And while you're watching, comment down below which one of these lashes is your favorite. Let me know. Also, before we go any further, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. The button is right there or here. Not really sure, but you know where it is. So find it, click it, and then we can get started. Oh, whoa. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's her. You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go. So now that my eyelashes are completely weighed down and sticky with eyelash glue, this is the end of the video. So if you're interested in getting like really cute mink lashes, 100% handmade mink lashes for less than what you would pay for at a regular lash company, which is usually around $30 to $50 depending on the company and depending on the lash. If you're interested in getting some mink lashes for the low, hit up Amazon and go crazy because I got all 5 of these lashes for I think less than $50. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on social media. My handle is at Janelle Sequira XO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.